Best 3D printers. Are you looking for the best 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. ELEGOO Mars 5 Ultra 9K Resin 3D Printer. The ELEGOO Mars 5 Ultra Resin 3D Printer is a high-performance desktop resin printer designed for hobbyists, professionals, and enthusiasts seeking exceptional print detail and ease of use. It features a 7-inch 9K mono LCD screen that delivers ultra-high resolution for extremely precise and detailed prints. This level of clarity is ideal for miniatures, prototypes, and intricate parts requiring fine surface finishes. One of the standout features of the Mars 5 Ultra is its 150 mm/h high-speed printing capability, allowing for much faster production without sacrificing quality. The smart automatic leveling system ensures consistent bed leveling, minimizing the need for manual calibration and reducing the risk of failed prints. In addition, intelligent detection features help monitor the printer's operation, including resin levels and printing status, which enhances reliability and efficiency. With built-in Wi-Fi transfer, users can conveniently send print files directly to the printer without using USB drives, streamlining the workflow and making remote operation easier. The printer supports a build volume of 6.04 by 3.06 by 6.49 inches, offering ample space for small to medium-sized models. The Mars 5 Ultra also comes with improved stability features and a user-friendly interface, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Its sleek design, combined with advanced features like the high-resolution screen and smart automation, positions it as a top choice in the mid-range resin 3D printing market. Ideal for detailed figurines, functional parts, or artistic creations, it delivers consistent, high-quality results. Number 2. ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro FDM 3D Printer with Auto Bed Leveling. The ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro is a versatile FDM 3D printer designed for both beginners and experienced users who need reliable, high-quality printing. It features a dual-gear direct drive extruder, which enhances filament feeding precision and is especially effective for flexible filaments like TPU. The direct drive design reduces the distance between the extruder and the hot end, improving extrusion control and reducing clogging. A key convenience feature is its automatic bed leveling system with 36-point leveling. This ensures the print bed is always perfectly leveled, reducing user setup time and improving first-layer adhesion for better print consistency. The dual-lead screw drive design on the Z-axis adds greater stability and smoothness to the printing process, minimizing layer shifting and improving the overall quality of taller prints. The Neptune 3 Pro has a removable capacitive touchscreen, which provides an intuitive user interface and the flexibility to mount it where convenient. The print volume of 8.85 by 8.85 by 11 inches, 225 by 225 by 280 millimeters, offers ample space for a wide variety of projects, from small parts to medium-sized models. Additional highlights include a silent stepper motor system for quieter operation, a PEI magnetic spring steel build plate for easy print removal, and resume printing capability after power loss. With a solid frame and thoughtful upgrades, the ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro offers excellent value and print quality for its price, making it an appealing choice for home, education, or light prototyping use. Number 3. Anycubic Kobra 2 Max 3D Printer. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Max is a high-speed, large-format FDM 3D printer engineered for users who require both size and performance. It boasts an impressive maximum print speed of 500 mm per second, significantly reducing print times while maintaining high-quality results. The printer's massive build volume of 420 by 420 by 500 mm, 88 liters, makes it ideal for printing large models, batch jobs, or multi-part assemblies in a single run. One of the standout features is its auto bed leveling system, ELEGOO 2.0, with smart Z offset adjustment, allowing for precise first layers without manual calibration. This intelligent leveling combined with vibration compensation technology helps reduce artifacts like ghosting or ringing, enhancing surface detail and print sharpness even at high speeds. The Kobra 2 Max is also designed with stability and performance in mind. It features a rigid frame, dual Z-axis LED screws, and a powerful cooling system for consistent extrusion and better print accuracy. The 32-bit mainboard ensures faster processing and smoother motion control, while the touchscreen interface offers an intuitive and user-friendly experience. Additional features include filament runout detection, power loss recovery, and support for a wide range of filaments, including PLA, PTG, and TPU. This printer is well suited for makers, educators, and professionals who need reliable, large-scale printing with minimal setup and maintenance. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Max strikes a strong balance between speed, size, and print quality, making it a compelling option in the large-format 3D printing space. Number 4. Anycubic Photon Mono 4. The Anycubic Photon Mono 4 is a compact and powerful resin 3D printer designed for high-detail printing with speed and precision. It features a 7-inch 10K mono LCD screen, which delivers an ultra-high resolution of 19 microns, 11,520 x 5,120 pixels. This results in incredibly sharp and detailed prints, making it ideal for miniatures, prototypes, jewelry, and other fine detail models. Equipped with the upgraded Light Turbo Matrix light source, the printer ensures even UV light distribution across the build plate, enhancing accuracy and consistency in every layer. This stable illumination significantly improves print quality by reducing light distortion and curing defects. The Photon Mono 4 supports high-speed printing up to 70 mm per hour, allowing for faster turnaround times without compromising detail. Combined with a build volume of 6.04 inches by 3.42 inches by 6.49 inches, 153.36 by 86.84 by 165 mm, it strikes a solid balance between size and performance for users with moderate space and printing needs. Other key features include a durable FEP film for consistent layer separation, intuitive user interface, and compatibility with various resins, offering flexibility for different applications. The mono LCD also increases durability and lifespan compared to RGB screens, reducing long-term maintenance costs. Overall, the Anycubic Photon Mono 4 stands out for its exceptional resolution, reliable performance, and user-friendly design. It is well suited for hobbyists, modelers, and professionals seeking high-quality resin prints in a desktop-sized machine. Number 5. Creality K1C 3D Printer. The Creality K1C is the 2024 upgraded version of Creality's high-performance 3D printer, designed for speed, precision, and versatility. With a blazing fast print speed of up to 600 mm per second, the K1C significantly reduces printing time while maintaining excellent model quality. It's built for users who need efficiency without sacrificing detail, making it suitable for both professionals and advanced hobbyists. A major highlight of the K1C is its direct drive extruder with clog-resistant design, which ensures smooth and consistent filament feeding. The extruder supports printing at high temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius, allowing the use of advanced materials like carbon fiber reinforced filaments, ABS, PTG, and more. This makes the K1C ideal for engineering-grade parts and functional prototypes. The printer features fully automatic bed leveling, which eliminates the need for manual calibration and ensures strong first-layer adhesion. Combined with a sturdy, enclosed structure, this contributes to greater temperature control and print stability, especially when working with high-temp or warp-prone filaments. The K1C also includes smart features like a fast heating bed, vibration compensation for smoother prints, a user-friendly interface, and Creality's advanced motion system for precise layer alignment. Its robust frame and cooling system further enhance durability and performance during long or high-speed prints. With its combination of speed, high-temperature capabilities, material compatibility, and ease of use, the Creality K1C is a standout choice for serious makers, educators, and professionals looking to produce strong, detailed parts with modern materials.